Office in Mount Holly has issued a flash flood warning for northwestern Burlington County in southern New Jersey, south central southeastern Pennsylvania, northeastern Delaware County in southeastern Pennsylvania, southeastern Montgomery County in southeastern Pennsylvania until 7 p.m. The radar and automated rain gauges indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 0.5 and 1.5 inches of rain have fallen. The expected rainfall rate is 1 to 2 inches in 1 hour. Possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is ongoing. Hazard, flash flooding. Source, radar and automated gauges. Flooding of small streets of urban areas highlighted. And low-lying areas. Some locations that may experience Philadelphia, then Salem, Mount Vernon, Medford, Lumberton, Seattle, Birmingham, Bristol, Mount Holly, and Riverside. People attending Lebanon should seek shelter immediately. Interstate 295 in New Jersey between mile markers 36 and 51. Between mile markers 7 and 9. New Jersey between exits 4 and 6A. Interstate 76 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 335 and 344. Interstate 95 in Pennsylvania between mile markers 140. Interstate 600 at 76 in Pennsylvania near mile marker 0. Pennsylvania Turnpike between mile markers 340 and 359. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. The